Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Nissan Juke with a manual key. First, understand that if your push-button start isn't working, it's often due to a dead key fob battery. Don't worry, there's an easy method to get your car running without needing a jump start or a new fob right away. This simple trick will help you get back on the road quickly and efficiently. To begin, locate your Nissan Juke's key fob. On the side or back, you'll find a small release button. Press this button firmly and then gently pull out the hidden metal key. This physical key is essential for manually unlocking your driver's side door if the remote function isn't working, and it's also crucial for the starting process. Once you have the metal key, insert it into the ignition slot, which is usually located near the steering column. Turn the key to the on position. Now, with your foot firmly on the brake pedal, press the engine start button as you normally would. The car should now start, allowing you to drive even with a dead key fob battery. After successfully starting your Juke, it's a good idea to replace your key fob battery soon. Most Nissan Juke key fobs use a common CR2032 coin cell battery, which is readily available. Replacing it will restore your remote functions and prevent this manual start method from being necessary in the future. Consult your owner's manual for precise instructions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.